Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of blue screen update of Windows 10 which comes with an error code of driver power state failure. So this is a common problem, can be fixed by following few steps on the command prompt menu itself. So first of all, you have to open the command prompt of your Windows 10. You can open by clicking on run and you just need to type cmd on this and click OK. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy a command from the description box where I have given a command. You just need to copy like this. You just need to copy it. Then on the command prompt taskbar, on the bar you have to right click on this. Then you have to click on the edit. And now you can see over here the option of paste. You just need to click on the paste over here. Then you have to press enter. Then afterward you have to type another command, or you can copy directly from the same description box, net start Mozilla server. Just copy it, then again you need to paste it, the same process which you have did last time. Then press enter. Then you have to type exit. That's it. Now you have to restart your PC and see that your problem would be resolved definitely. So this was a small process, you have to follow it very carefully. If this video helped you out, then give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have any more queries regarding this issue, you can leave a comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.